All right, how's it going? Had a little bit of a recovery yesterday over the aftermarket or after hours and pre-market. Still kind of leaning bearish, honestly. Not really closing higher. In this pre-market session, we had pretty low and then lower highs. I like that rejection off the VWAP. I kind of missed it. I missed the open today. If we break below this zone, I'm definitely taking it down to the next zone, or at least trying to. That's really it. Not a whole lot else I'm really watching, unless maybe we get above like these highs, the upside. But I see more of a case to the downside than anything. Alright, let's see what we get. What's that mean?
Now first of all, where I'm supposed to start. When I first met you, man, another nigga had your heart. But I'm a I ran out of tears when I was 18.
I'm stuck in this range.
That reminds me of yesterday morning.
Took a short somewhere in there. Sold one, held the rest. It just looked like it wants to go up now.
You still have them?
What's that?
You still have some or no?
Oh no, I sold it for a small gain. Good thing I didn't hold that.
There's a pretty 100-point move or so.
I thought this was gonna be like a lower high and then a drop down.
Suppose it could still be here.
Yeah. expect it to get stopped out. Gonna be super careful.
Looks like it might go lower here.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop that out.
That's been pretty crazy.
Basically, just scalping shorts. Third small game.
This was story of a man that know a girl, and that girl got a man, and that man that know the girl, he ain't even got a plan, and that girl want the world, and the man that know the girl can
I'm just
get
gonna wait
somewhere in the
till it
middle.
breaks out of this range.
Speaker box.
Yeah. Just so y'all know what time it is, it's your homeboy. Straight from the 18.
No matter where we face, we must face the moment of truth, baby.
They say it's lonely at the top, and whatever you do, you always gotta watch motherfuckers around you. Nobody's invincible, no plan is foolproof. We all must meet our moment of truth. The same shiesty cats that you hang with and do your thing with could set you up and wet you up. Nigga, peep the language, it's universal. You play with fire, it may hurt you or burn you. Lessons are blessings you should learn through, let's face facts. Although MCs lace tracks, it doesn't mean behind the scenes there ain't no dirt to trace back. That goes for all of us, there ain't nobody to trust. It's like sabotage, it's got me ready to bust, but I can't jeopardize what I've done up to this point. So I'ma get more guys to help me run the whole joint. Cultivate, multiply, motivate, or else we'll die. You know I'll be the master of the who, what, where, and why. See, when you're shining, some chumps will wanna dull ya. Always selfish, jealous punks will wanna pull ya down. Just like some shellfish in a bucket, cause they love it to see your ass squirm like a worm. But just as you receive what is coming to you, everybody else is gonna get this too. I ain't no saint, therefore I cannot dispute that everyone must meet their moment of truth. Actions have reactions, don't be quick to judge. You may not know the hardships people don't speak of. It's best to step back and observe with cool, for we all must meet our moment of truth. Sometimes you gotta dig deep. When problems come near, don't fear. Things get severe for everybody, everywhere. Why do bad things happen to good people? Seems that life is just a constant war between good and evil. The situation that I'm facing is mad amazing. To think such problems can arise from minor confrontations. Now I'm contemplating in my bedroom pacing. Dark clouds over my head, my heart's racing. Suicide? Nah, I'm not a foolish guy. Don't even feel like drinking or even getting high. Cause all that's gonna do really is accelerate the anxieties that I wish I could alleviate. But wait, I've been through a whole lot of other shit before, so I ought to be able to withstand some more. But I'm sweating though, my eyes are turning red, and yo, I'm ready to lose my mind, but instead I use my mind. I put down the knife and take the bullets out my nine. My only crime was that I'm too damn kind. And now some scandalous motherfuckers wanna take what's mine, but they can't take the respect that I've earned in my lifetime. And you know they'll never stop the furious force of my rhymes. So like they say, every dog has its day. And like they say, God works in a mysterious way. So I pray, remembering the days of my youth as I prepare to meet my moment of truth. Yo, I got one lyric pointed at your head for start. Another one is pointed at your weak ass heart. Now if I pull the trigger on these fully loaded lines, you're gonna wish I would've pulled a black nine. I'm Mac Dimes, crack the spines of the fake gangsters. Yeah, the biting trifling niggas and the studio pranksters. Yo, looking at the situation plainly, will you remain G or will you be looked upon strangely? I reign as the articulator with the greater data, revolving on a task and much doper than my last jam. While others struggle to juggle tricky metaphors, I explore more to expose the core. A lot of MCs act stupid to me, and we have yet to see if they can match our longevity. But anyway, it's just another day, another fake jack I slay with my spectac rap display. Styles smooth but rugged, you can't push or shove it. You dig it and you dug it, cause like money you love it. The king of monotone, with my own throne, righteously violent prone. My words bring winds like cyclones, storming your hideout, blocking out your sunlight. Your image truly not done right. Throw up your hiala now, divine saviors. You got no hand skills, there's no security to save you. No pager, no celly, no drop top Benzie. I came to bring your phony hip hop to an ending. My art of war will leave you sore from the abuse, cause you must meet your moment of truth. They say it's lonely at the top, and whatever you do, you always gotta watch motherfuckers around you. No one is untouchable, no man is bulletproof. We all must meet our moment of truth.
Kids, nigga, number one, that money will, nigga, fuck it up, yeah, yeah, shitting on niggas, my raps is laxative, tequila dope in my bloodstream, that's just how I live, tequila dope in my bloodstream, that's just how I'm dying, before I go pounds of cushion powder, that's all I'm buying, started below motherfucking zero, first check that I got from rap, man, I raised my lack and cop the kilo, since then, man, I ain't been back, been straight transactions with my niggas, few times your boy fell off, but I jump right back on with the quickness, ready with it, with Freddie McClain, yippee-ki-yay motherfuckers, I yelled out TT, get that head running, and yay motherfuckers, we yelling fuck the world until it's over, I'm only halfway through my movie, ready to war with Sosa, where my toaster, I got the breakfast for these niggas, pastry strudel, they noodles, snatch they harder like a pop-tart, you losing, we moving through you, I'm the smoothest nigga doing this from LA to Philly, I feel like Kobe doing work, I just might tear my Achilles if I don't take a load off, gotta get this blow off, what's the start, I will show up at his door, till I knock the stove off, renovate these niggas' houses over quarters and ounces, I cop that polo, selling dodo, never had no allowance, that's on my mama know it, some months electric, gas and water, we couldn't afford it, I'm soda whipping, Yoda stretching, hot water bowling, fuck the police, cause if they catch us, straight to the toilet, and all my gangsta niggas know it, nigga test me, I sent some bullets with my reply, I'm straight for life, all I gotta do is stay back and die, I'm straight for life, all I gotta do is stay back and die, I'm straight for life, all I gotta do is stay back and die, a nigga diss me, I sent some bullets with my reply, I'm straight for life, all I gotta do is stay back and die, I'm straight for life, all I gotta do is stay back and die, I'm straight for life, all I gotta do is stay back and die, dropping this pill in a cup of dope, and just take a breather, rappers who's having seizures and strokes, yeah, that type of shit make niggas sit back and stick to the smoke, nigga dead before his 30s on overdose, ain't a joke, I ain't one for stacking on my habits, I brush my teeth with Hennessy, sleep with my automatic, my nigga hit my 90, bout to touch
I took a short up at like 18,600. I want to see a rejection and right where it started to reject. It looked good, so I took it. Trying to get a pullback to like 18,500, but we'll see. Might bring my stop down to break even. Just see how it plays out.
How many contracts? Two? One?
Just two. Yeah.
You're not tempted to take one?
Yeah, I took it. I think my thing was lagging. Again. I'm like a minute behind again. Why does this keep happening? I'm gonna log out and reload it. I just noticed that, like, I probably should have held. I mean, I had a stop in place, but I just really don't like holding when I'm when my charts are delayed. I noticed it like turned to 950, and I was still in the previous 5-minute candle, and I was like, uh-oh. So I'm gonna reload it real quick, and we'll see. I was thinking about taking one off, but then I realized I was probably behind, so I just decided to clear it. I was up like 60 points or something. 50 points maybe? 50, 60? Hard to tell.
Could go either way.
Alright, let's see. See if it's fixed. Well, I got out near the low of that. I guess that's good. This week has been hard. I have not been trading well this whole week. I'm up this week, but
Really?
yeah, I'm up like 680 per account.
Nice.
Monday was a losing day, and ever since then I've just had Tuesday was a good day, and then Wednesday, Thursday were both like really small green days, and today's kind of a smaller green day as well so far. But
Yeah, it's been tough.
I just with this volatility, I'm trading like 1 or 2 contracts, and then
You have
like
to.
yeah, I have like a 70 point stop loss or something, and I'm just like, oh, it just feels, I don't know. And then consequently, my take profit's like 130 points or something. I'm like, obviously can move that well, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to capture that whole thing. Yeah, it's been a hard trading environment for sure, for me at least. Well, I'm glad I got out of that position. It looks like it's kind of starting to go back up again.
I got a long. I sold one, and the other one got stopped out.
Nice.
Too tight of a stop loss.
That's another thing, is like with these crazy swings, I'll be up like 60 points and I'll bring my stop loss to break even, and it will just reverse and stop me out for break even. I'm like, all right. That's, yeah, I think that's also another thing, is I've been more cautiously managing my risk, but with it being so volatile, it can just swing and stop you out in like a second. Like that would have happened there for sure. Would have stopped me out after being up like almost 100 points. Or not quite. At the most, I was up like 80. That's 75, I guess.
That big move right there just dropped like 30 points in like half a second.
Yeah. Yeah, my plan was just trade small size and survive this week. If I ended up like with a positive week, I was happy. Especially because I had a losing day Monday, so. I figured anything over $500 in profit this week per account would make me happy.
Yeah.
Because that's on target for a the 2K per month payout if I get there. Or whatever, 2K payout. Not that I'm gonna take out 2K on my first payout because I have to have my trailing drawdown, but I guess just as like a measurement.
First it's there, and then next month you can pull out as much as you want.
Yeah. Yeah, I just kind of using it as like a guide stick, or, you know, like a guide to like, all right, if I can average about 500 a week, that's actually all I really need. Obviously, I'd be happy with more, but to reach payouts, that's enough.
Use in a couple minutes.
Yes, sir. Good call. I have like a twitch in my hamstring for the past 2 days. It's so annoying.
A what?
Like a muscle twitch or like muscle spasm in my hamstring. Like the back side of
Recently, or-
a couple of days ago, but I took yesterday off. But yeah, it's just tweaking out. It's like my leg just twitching while I'm sitting down. It's
That happens to me, but like usually it's like my arm or something.
yeah. It's weird. It's like my whole thigh is like twitching.
Probably just overworked.
Yeah, I did. I worked out legs and then I went for like a 4 mile run the next day, and that might have done it. Because the past 2 days have just been tweaking out on me. But I have a foam roller. Maybe I'll just roll the shit out of it. Ooh, that was a nice drop.
New skin.
Oh my goodness.
Look, I can feel the demons in my brain, creeping through the dark parts. Got me tucking different handguns in my car, hard sweater hood. Got the reaper hiding underneath, yo. Ever wonder why we rather die than let the beef go? Stay feeling stressed, greed, lust, and jealousy. My people cope by using sex, speed, that's an LSD. More than just a simple sickness, it's triple sixes to haunt the holy temple scriptures. And got the lost souls playing false roles. They got a West to get inside them like crossbows. It's the demons conjuring up images you dreaming, screaming. It seems when you see me, they scheming. Got us paranoid, stepping out very cautious. The same way we holding guns, guns carry crosses. Forms of fighter jets over my city.
What even was the news? It was consumer sentiment. And Alberto Musalem speaking. Oh, hi, Alberto, pump my bags. I believe in you, Alberto.
I put it down daily, I was born to rock. Stop, watch, observe. All natural like a can of curves. All factual words from the lived and learned. Man, match to the beat like pimp and perms. Yeah, no player cause it ain't no game. No hater but some don't recognize change. Same day next, I'm a triple and claim. Pockets lump, poking like nipples in the A cup. Trunk rattling funk from the soul connect. Tell a threat to your label exist.
I should have held my shorts. Just always have FOMO. I knew it.
I had a long run there.
I was thinking about taking one after that last 5 minute, and I didn't, and it just ripped. Now I feel like an idiot. I was thinking about taking one down around like 490, which would have been a spectacular play, but it's all good. I don't need it. I need it. I was looking at Earth Mounds in North Carolina. And I missed a 100-point long. Don't mind me.
Say what?
I was looking at Earth Mounds, like like archaeological, like earthworks. Have you heard? You've probably seen them, like the snake mounds that are in like Ohio and stuff.
Oh yeah.
But apparently there's some in North Carolina. I was just looking at it, and I missed a beautiful entry and all. Oh man. I tried to short with a single contract up there, risking off a high day. Just trying to play this range. And I'll lower stop break even just to be safe. Oh Lord, do it. Yes. Alright, I'll take it there. Decent.
Nice.
And that'll definitely do it for me today. Just scalping this range up around like 18,600 to 18,650. It's been rejecting pretty hard. Been bouncing around like 520 or so, but now of course it's it'll go to like new low a day or something after I just paper handed it. I'm fine with that. It's a decent day on 2 wins. I'll happily have it. Two contracts right there would have been real juicy. It is funny how like a good trade, I don't know, like previously if I get like 50 points I'd be stoked. And on days like today, that was a 71 point trade, and now I'm feeling like I sold too early. You know what I mean? I got 71 points, and now it's like, I don't even know, like, well, it's like 140 points. I'm like, wow, I really fucked up. In reality, it's like, that's a great, if I could capture 70 points regularly, I'd be stoked. It's mind warping. I think that's also part of it too, is like, yeah, it's hard for me to trade this week because exactly 50, 70 points is a great win for me, but I'm taking it with like one contract, so I'm like, I need to make $1,000. I need 400 points. Just,
Yeah.
I don't know, it manipulates your perspective. Wonder how Fooley's doing. I hope Fooley's doing well.
Go in one direction.
Yeah, it's just been super chop.
Up now.
My brother's cat's been really needy. Whenever I trade, she comes and tries to get in my lap.
You have your cat too, right? Or...
Yeah. We have 3 cats in this household. My brother had 2. I brought mine.
They get along?
Yeah, they're all homies.
Cool.
My cat's passed out on my bed behind me. And my brother's cat's in my lap licking me. Licking my arm. They're like it's funny, one of my brother's cats is like super chill. She's older and she just like doesn't do anything. She's like the chillest cat. And his other cat's like a monster. Like she just gets into trouble and fucks with plants and all sorts of stuff. And her and my cat,
Different personalities for all of them.
yeah, her and my cat get along really well because my cat, he's pretty chill, but he also likes to do some I don't know, he likes to get into trouble sometimes. But I had my window open because I was like letting some fresh air. And dude, I came into my room and the screen was torn out of my window and both the cats were outside in the yard. I was like, oh fuck. They just ripped the screen and just escaped. I was like, alright. Like 2, I don't know, like 2 prisoners escaping from jail or something. We got him back. You have a cat, right?
Yeah. He's chill. But you can't touch him for too long or he'll scratch you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
He's like bipolar. One second he's cool, the next he's like not.
Yeah, my cat, he doesn't like to be like held very long, but I still pick him up. It's funny, he's learned now not to like actually hurt me, but he'll do the thing where he like fake bites you, you know what I mean? Like he'll like put his mouth on me but not actually bite me. It's like his way of being like, I don't like it, but I'm not actually gonna hurt you. My brother's cat's super funny. She likes human food. So she like begs anytime we're eating meat or anything, she's like begs for it. And I guess it started because
So crazy.
my brother's eating a pizza that had like little pieces of bacon on it. And they were like little bacon crumbles and they're falling off onto the floor, and she started eating bacon, and now she's like she's addicted to it. She's kind of a chunky little cat, dude. It's hilarious. She's a little baconator. This is a pretty damn choppy day.
Yeah.
It's definitely respecting this range pretty well, so you can trade it, but and not like a good day to hold a runner.
Not yet, at least.
True. I still kind of have a bearish bias, just because it cannot like make a higher high. Not too far from low day. Do you work? Yeah, you work the excuse me, you work evenings sometimes, right?
I pretty much only work evenings, like 1 or 2 p.m. to late.
Yeah. Do you find it hard to like have the first half of your day open and then like get in the mood to go to work?
I hate going to work. I don't know.
Fair. I just find it like today I don't work until I work from 4 to like 1. And so I have like a decent amount of my day to do what I want. But it's just like hard knowing that I have to go and transition into work mode.
Yeah.
Alright, well I fumbled that short. I entered at 18,600. Now it's 200 points lower. Darn it! I'm just trying not to sabotage myself. I got within $50 or $60 of a payout and I blew my account. I was $60 away on my very first PA. And then I went on tilt. I could laugh about it now, but it wasn't funny when it happened.
Hurts. Low day. Things are kind of bipolar. What do you want to do?
Week 3 picks. Let's make money. Friday night, it's a ranked matchup. Week 3 picks. Let's make money. Friday night, it's a ranked matchup.
Wow, it really dropped.
Water. Now look at the word carbohydrate. The suffix hydrate means water. As you probably all know, the carbohydrate stores in the muscle becomes a chain of sugar molecules called glycogen. And every gram of glycogen stored in the muscle chemically bonds with and holds 3 grams of water. When you
Bechki.
What's up, Yvonne?
Good morning, boys.
Good afternoon, sir. How you doing, Yvonne?
Oh, very well, my friend. How are you, boys? Did you take any trades?
Took a couple shorts that paid out.
Okay.
How about yourself? Have you been trading in the mornings, Yvonne?
What do you mean mornings?
Oh yeah, shit. Like more closer to market opens. I don't know. You've just been joining the chat a little later. I was wondering if you were doing kind of like pulling a foolie, taking some trades and joining after.
No. I mean, I'm training since the start, but yeah, I joined later. But I'm still thinking about trades. I know it kind of suits me. If you boys don't mind.
Not at all, man. No, I don't mean that in any sort of any sort of way. I was just curious.
No. Yeah, I'm here since open,
Nice.
even earlier. But I miss that short entry. The break of the trend line was too fast for me.
Yeah.
singing free my niggas. Polished and purposeful, he's producing pristine pictures. Pay me, give me plenty. The trees be gat keys, that's paper, so hold the pennies. I'm pressed, and like pests, I'm in every nook and cranny, your pantry. With some patience, your panties. I got patience is prevalent in the previous plannings. I've been on my P's and Q's. Fuck, is this a quiz? Peep this nigga passion, I'm not picking him to quit. Watch him paint, ain't it quaint? All that presence in his pen, he be pearling all that wisdom, all that pressure be to sin. And pearlescent silver lining through the questions I've been quilting together. Niggas quiver in the cold, are you equipped for the weather? When it's polar and it's piercing through your sweater to your chest, how you persevere and press on through the quest? I've been on my P's and Q's. Can't you see I do not play? And I'm packing full of quotes where you perceive it in the way that I intended. I ain't preaching and I'm never that pretentious, not pretending. Quasimodo, how my back is. I've been bending, I've been lifting all the pounds. Break it down, pass it round. Politicking with my peoples, then my partner, then my round. Quality is what we seek. I'm not playing till we peak. Quintessential to survival is the cunning to compete. You pick defeat. If your efforts will only ever be passive aggressive, be my pleasure to let it fly like attached to propellers and compel all your people to say a prayer in your passing. Man, fuck the gas, and I'm too persistent. And what could they tell us? I've been on my P's and Q's. Quantum leaps ahead of my peers, they not even in my peripheral. Pray I keep it proper cause they play it so political. The petty is so pitiful. Niggas Peter Pettigrew, I'm of a higher pedigree. I'm peddling this penmanship, appreciate the pleasantries, but it's quiet for y'all niggas. I mean, you know I've been on point with it. Ain't even gotta smoke a joint, I'm getting high off the field. Y'all just trying to make some coins with it. Educate my loins, we've been gifted like I pearled a couple poinsettias on my P's and Q's. Quarantine the phrase, you can comprehend it better. Bring phonetics into play, I'm no pharaoh. Message never mystical. Breath of antihistamine, I'm trying to heal the physical. Requiring a pivotal stance. But my mans nigga know I'm not dolo. Provide you with the proof, it's never quid pro quo though. It's free nation, please no photos. Yeah. Power to the people, middle fingers to the po-po.
Peace of mind, that's what the Asian said. I needed divine intervention was his religion, and I was surprised. Him believing in Buddha, me believing in God. Asked him what are you doing, he said taking my time. Meditation is a must, it don't hurt if you try. See you thinking too much, plus you too full of yourself. Worried about your career, you ever think of your health? What did the Indian say? A piece of land, that's what the Indian said. I needed the man, telling me longevity's in the dirt. Should buy some property first, you profit a better dollar with generational perks. Equity had its best, really you should invest. These tangible things expire, don't you expect? Income with so much outcome, and yes, look at my heritage, we blessed. Know what the black man say? A piece of pussy, that's what the black man said. I needed to push me to the limit that satisfied my hunger. We do it all for a woman, from haircut to a war. We like to live in the jungle, like to play in the peach. What you saying to me? He said, nigga, come back to reality for a week. Pussy is power, fuck on a new bitch every night. I wouldn't be prouder, you should allow it. What the white man say? A piece of minds, that's what the white man wanted when I rhyme. Telling me that he's selling me just for $10.99. If I go platinum from rapping, I do the company fine. What if I compromise? He said it don't even matter. You make $1 million or more, you're living better than average. You're losing your core following, gaining it all. He put a price on my talent. I hit the bank and withdraw, hit the bank and withdraw, hit the bank and withdraw. Put myself in the rocket ship and I shot for the stars. Look at what you accomplishing, what he said to the bar. I'ma make you some promises that you just can't ignore. Your profession anonymous as an artist. If I don't talk at your market, if you ain't signing your signature, when I throw you my wallet, a lot of rappers are giving up demo hall in the toilet. Your world tour, your master's mortgage. I need a piece.
Be interested to see if we set a lower high here, kind of retesting where we were holding in earlier, like 460 area.
Yeah. I'm watching that retest too.
Take a little trip, hater, pack up your mind. Look forward, not behind, then you see what you find. I called a sucker dying cause he thought it could rhyme. Now if his mama is a quarter, daughter must be a dime. I gotta meet her. Don't
I've been in this room for way too long. I wonder if by now the leaves are on the ground. I lived on this street for way too long. I wonder what on earth is the next turn that'll go wrong. But as long as I'm here, at least as long as I'm here, I can't do you no harm.
It doesn't look bad.
Did you enter the trade?
No, I've already taken 2 trades. I'm done for the day, but that's definitely something I'd be watching if I were to trade.
Yeah.
I have a zone right there as well. Got the VWAP there at like 480 as well. There's a lot of things kind of lining up, and it just makes sense for a lower high.
Yeah, looking good at the moment.
I was saying to Abe, it's funny how I'll get like 50, 60 points and it feels like a tiny trade in these markets when normally that would be like a great move. But when it's moving like hundreds of points, you know, you make like 60 points and you're like, oh man, it went 200. I sold too early. It's weird how it like warps it.
Yeah, I've been trading like 1 contract only.
Yeah, I took 2 and then I took a single today and that's it. Alright, I might head out. I'm not gonna take anything else.
Same.
Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.
Alright, man. Peace.
Take it easy.
See you, man. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you. Yeah, you as well. Take it easy, fellas.
Later.
Peace. Alright. Just to recap, I took 2 trades today. Both were shorts. Both were up here around this like 18,600 level, pretty much at the exact same price. Idea was that we have been forming lower lows, or excuse me, lower highs in the pre-market. This come up and test here, and then basically we're just targeting the top of this zone for both of these. So I got out on this one once it started to bounce off that zone. I just exited here. Stop initially on this first trade was above this wick. Stop on the second trade was above high day. And once again, yeah, just kind of targeting this zone for like a 70-80 point move. Caught a little bit less on this one, caught a little over 70 points on this one, so we're happy with it. This one ran hundreds of points after I sold, so it is what it is. You know, I'm happy with 70 points regardless. 2 contracts on this trade, a single contract on this one. We are up 345 on the day, 821 on the week per my 2 accounts. So after Monday having a losing day, we were able to come back and get up to over 800 in profit on this week, which I'm pretty stoked on. I'm happy to keep it there. I don't need insane weeks. If I can make, you know, 500 to 1,000, that's quite a wide range. But if I can make 500 to 1,000 a week, very, very, very happy with that. So just trying not to blow up, trying to manage risk, trying to keep things steady, not rush it, and just secure a payout. So about 2,000 away from a payout, but if we can keep up the performance, maybe, you know, at the end of this month we'll be seeing one. So that's what we're shooting for. I hope you have a great weekend.